Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we'll show you how to reset your Blink camera quickly and easily. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or just starting fresh, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, here are the tools you'll need. Your Blink camera, a small paperclip or pin, your smartphone with the Blink app installed. First, locate the reset button on your Blink camera. On most models, it's a small hole usually found on the side or bottom of the camera. Take your paperclip or pin and gently insert it into the reset hole. Hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the LED light on the camera start flashing, indicating that the reset process has begun. Now that your camera has been reset, it's time to reconnect it to the Blink app. Open the Blink app on your smartphone and follow these steps. Log into your Blink account. Tap on the Add Device button. Select your Blink camera model. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And that's it. Your Blink camera is now reset and reconnected to your Blink app. If you had any issues, try repeating these steps or check the Blink support page for more help. Conclusion. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.